future simple, negative and question form. The future. A vast canvas waiting to be splashed with possibilities. But how do we paint it with the precision of the future simple tense? Today, we'll unlock the secrets of using will in its negative and question forms, leaving you a master of its future-telling power. First, the won't war. Negating the future. Sometimes the future holds unexpected turns. That's where will not. Or won't comes in, acting like a sturdy wall against unwanted events. Use it to express predictions of non-occurrence, refusals, or unwillingness. We know you are wondering about the structure, and here it is. Start with the subject, any person, animal, or object that performs the action, plus will not, or its short form, won't. Please don't forget to use the apostrophe, plus the base verb, without to. Then give some sparkles, adding a complement. Now, let's check some examples. The sun won't rise in the west tomorrow. This movie won't be a box office hit. I won't go to the party if it's too crowded. They won't accept your offer without proof. Second, the will you bridge, asking about the unknown. Curiosity is the fuel that drives us forward. Use will you to build bridges towards the unknown, seeking information about future intentions, future actions, predictions, or possibilities. Let's check how we build the sentence. Switch will and subject position, then add the base verb plus the additional details, and finally, the most important element, the question mark. Examples. Will you be joining us for dinner tonight? Will you help me with this project? Will it rain tomorrow? Will this new technology change the world? Remember, use will not for formal writing, while won't is more common in spoken language. Verbs like go, see, do, or be help you to spot potential will sentences. So, there you have it. The future simple in its negative and question form. If you have any questions about the negative and question future simple with will, don't hesitate to ask. We're always here to help you master this versatile verb. Don't forget to visit us on Facebook or Instagram, where you can find helpful sources to improve your language skills. That's all for today. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.